Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming account access and permissions so events sync correctly across devices. Next, set your time zone and default working hours. This prevents cross-time confusion when booking. Create a primary calendar labeled for core meetings and separate shared calendars for teams or projects, because segregating events keeps availability clear. Once done, check notification defaults and calendar visibility. Make sure invites are auto-added to reduce manual steps and speed your first bookings. You now construct events with intent. Use templates and build detailed descriptions so attendees know the agenda and deliverables. Use Find a Time or suggested times to quickly match multiple schedules. This reduces back and forth and avoids double booking. Create appointment slots on a separate calendar or generate booking links for external clients so they self-serve within your hours. Also attach files and conferencing links to events. This centralizes resources and makes each meeting actionable for everyone invited. You finish by sharing calendars with teammates, assigning the proper permission level so people can view or edit as needed. This prevents accidental changes. Confirm reminders, cross-calendar conflict indicators, and that mobile sync is active on primary devices. If an invite or availability doesn't show, first verify time zones and calendar visibility, then confirm permissions and that guests are added to the correct calendar. If problems persist, remove and re-add the event or calendar. This often forces a fresh sync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.